Hi, welcome everyone. Efficient and secure building management is essential. As a site owner, you have complete control over who has access to your organization. Now, with the site sharing feature within Priva Digital Services, you can easily and securely manage which organizations can access your site. Let's take a look at how site sharing works and what benefit it offers.
Here we are inside Access Control under the Site tab. Here you can see all the sites owned by my organization. If we go to the left side, you see Site C, Amsterdam, below. You can see that this site is already being shared with 2 organizations, which now has a total of 46 users inside that site. This organization has 8 users and 1 application, which means 1 API. When going inside this site, I can have the opportunity to share this site with another organization. This could also be a partner, for example, to perform some maintenance in that site. Here I can choose which organization can have access to my site. In this specific case, it's a known organization. And then, I can also use which permissions that organization will have my site. This will be all permissions or restricted permissions. In case of the restricted permission, I can also select which row containing the permissions that organization will have. In this case, I only want installation and maintenance, and after that I can share and send the invitation. And all the users will get that invite.
Thank you for watching, and let's start working with site sharing.